Here are beets from our garden. They're little babies compared to these giant beets. Here's our special guest, Elena Flo, all the way from San Diego, joining us.
Yeah.
Yay! So what are we making today?
We're going to make some beet burgers.
Yum.
I like to call them beet magic burgers.
Sweet.
But generic name is beet burgers.
I like beet magic burgers.
Yeah. Beets and carrots and walnuts and all kinds of good stuff.
Sweet. So we're going to be prepping up some of the ingredients here. Miss Lila. Soaking some walnuts. Also some flaxseed, parsley, some cucumbers.
Yeah, we're going to make a salad with these beautiful tomatoes.
These, Patty?
Ooh, let's
These
just...
are their heirloom tomatoes.
Oh,
They're so beautiful. And then these cute little cucumbers. They're so cute.
nice. These are all from the Ojai Farmers Market.
Yum.
Love it. Stay tuned. We'll show you the finished result and how to make them.